Hey there, Papa's Posse. Don't forget about that QR code. Take you to my eBay, YouTube, and Instagram page. Well, welcome back, everyone. Once again, Papa's Comic Books, Coffee, and more. Today we have Woodpecker Wants a Waffle by Steve Breen. It's a HarperCollins publishing book, copyright 2016. Now, don't forget, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Let's see what the woodpecker does with a waffle. Here he is. Okay, one morning, Benny awoke to the best tummy rumbling smell. And there's the smell going all through the house. Oh, so off he flew to investigate. It was the grand opening of Moe's, home of the hot waffle breakfast. Wow. Home waffle. Waffle, he read. What in the world is a waffle? The waffles smelled good. The waffles looked good. The waffles must taste good too, thought Benny. I want waffles, Benny declared. Benny politely pecked on the front door. Tap, 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 tap. But instead of waffles, he got the boot. Bing, a bing, a bing. Next, he tried to sneak in, attached to her dress. Look at that. But instead of waffles, Benny got swept away. Benny tried a number of creative disguises. Helped Inspector, a mask, carrying the fruit, a baby, a container of milk. But instead of waffles, he was tossed in the trash. Oh no, poor Benny. What are you doing? Asked Bunny. I am wishing for waffles, said Benny. The animals started laughing. That is ridiculous, Bunny said. One by one, the other animals chimed in. Raccoons don't eat ravioli. Lizards don't eat lasagna. Owls don't eat oatmeal. Moose don't eat muffins. Frogs don't eat fries. Ribbit. Hawks don't eat hot dogs. Coyotes don't eat cupcakes. Skunks don't eat scones. And snakes don't eat snow cones. Turtles don't eat turnovers. Bears don't eat bagels. Chipmunks don't eat cheeseburgers. And woodpeckers don't eat waffles. Get it right, Benny. Well, why not? Benny asked. Why not? The animals grumbled, chirped, croaked, and whispered. They thought and thought and thought and thought. Because I said so, said Bunny. I really don't have time for this said so nonsense, Benny said impatiently. Benny got right to work, devising a plan to get some waffles. First I will shoot out of a cannon. Boom! Then moonwalk. And then break dance. Followed by a stand-up comedy act with then hit the ground juggling. Oh, I went the wrong way. I went, Benny goes this way. Then he goes, hits the ground juggling. And then he goes to the moonwalk. And then he goes to the break dance. And then he goes to the comedy act. And then a Broadway style finale featuring fireworks. The animals were speechless, though, Benny was sure he heard some snickering. See you all tomorrow. Don't be late. The next morning, the animals gathered in the field by the diner to catch Benny's big show. No one was late. No one except Benny. Where's Benny? They're all looking for him. Where is he? And they're all looking out the window at the animals. As the animals waited patiently, see the animal? There they are. And he, of course, she poured the coffee. Oh no. As the animals waited patiently for Benny to arrive, the waitress in the diner noticed something odd. The customers noticed something strange, too. All the animals. Everyone at the diner stepped outside to look at the animals. And they all got their cameras and pictures. And while they did that, that's when Benny made his move. Sweet, said Benny as he got his waffles. Trickery on that little Benny, the woodpecker. All righty, well, that was The Woodpecker Wants Oh, Waffle. I hope you enjoyed that little reading. Now, don't forget, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell, okay? Leave me a comment. And as Papa and Benny, the woodpecker, always say,
that was easy.
Until next time, Papa is out.